Okay, so we're at the farmer's market. Do we eat shrimp?
No.
Do we eat shrimp?
No.
Okay. Why don't we eat shrimp?
Because it got pork.
No, not because it has pork.
No.
Because it doesn't have any fins or scales. So why don't we eat shrimp?
Because it got pork.
No, because it doesn't have any fins or scales. Okay? So why don't we eat? It does have a tail. So why don't we eat shrimps?
Because it's got a tail.
Because it doesn't have any scales or fins. Okay?
Oh, you should go.
Yeah, let's see what those are. This is a conch meat. What are these? No, these are little shrimps. We don't eat shrimps like this either. So, do we eat this? Conch meat?
No, we don't eat conch meat.
Conch meat. We don't eat that. That's bottom feeders. Okay, let's go to the other animals. See, what they're doing over there is they're cleaning the fins. Okay, so, all right, as well. See, this is a whole tilapia. So we don't eat farm-raised tilapia. But see, these have scales on them. They have fins, and you see these patterns? Those are scales. That's what helps cleans the fish.
Oh no!
This is what. This is what. I know, but this is what cleans the fish, and it also has fins. Okay, it has fins and it has scales, so that's why we can eat the fish. Let's look at another fish.
No!
This fish has scales and fins. So,
no! Wow, look at that fish!
yeah. Let's go over here.
Wow.
Can we eat lobster?
No!
Oh look, this is a fish. Are we allowed to eat catfish?
No!
Huh?
No!
Why not?
Look at that!
Look, Azrael. Look, Azrael. Are we allowed to eat catfish?
No! Catfish.
Why not? Why? It has fins. It has a fin. But it doesn't have scales. So we don't eat catfish. Okay?
Lobsters up there. Look at those lobsters. Those lobsters are up
So
there.
can we eat lobster?
No!
Can we eat lobster?
No!
Can we eat lobster?
No!
Bina,
Look at those
can we
big
eat lobster?
No! Look at those big lobsters.
Can we eat lobster, Azrael?
No!
Bina,
Can we eat
can we eat lobster?
No!
Good job. Can we eat catfish?
No!
No. Can we eat chicken?
No! Yeah!
Can we eat? Can we eat? Can we eat beef?
No!
Can we eat a cow?
No!
Yes, we can. Say yes.
No!
She's a vegetarian.
Look at that, those big lobsters. They're called
Sit, Azrael.
They're called cheetah fish.
They do look like cheetah fish. They have the spots. Okay, so are we allowed to eat squid? Let's see.
No.
Where is the tongue at? Okay, so are we allowed to eat squid?
Those are gross.
Are we allowed to eat squid?
Ew, squid eyes.
Are we allowed to eat squid?
No, it's got all.